Supreme underwear I got today. Sadly, I already shipped myself in these ones and another pair, so I only have 2 left now, but oh well. Good morning. So, I am in Paris this morning. Today is our first full day here. Yesterday I got here, but we were traveling. I felt like absolute shit because I hadn't slept at all, and we ended up sleeping for half the day anyways, so I don't count it as a real day. So today is our first real day, and today we're heading to like Bape, S&S, Nike Lab, all that stuff. We're also going to check out some like sightseeing and stuff. We're going to check out those stores. I'm thinking I might not film just a Paris hypebeast shopping video. I think I'm just going to make regular vlogs, but I'm excited to make good content while I'm here. And that's something that I wanted to talk about after I posted my last video after being like inactive for like 6 months. I just wanted to say, like, I feel like my videos would be better if I'm actually just retarded, like I actually am, instead of me pretending to be Casey Neistat, talking about like how I'm going on like trips. Like, okay, here's something. Me and Matt were watching one of my old videos, and I literally was going from my mom's to my dad's house. And I was like, oh my god, guys, I gotta pack for my trip. Oh, I'm gonna miss this place. Oh my god, I'm so excited for my trip. I was literally going up the street to my dad's house. That's the shit I'm talking about. Like, I want to make the videos like my actual life, not pretending to be something else. And that also means I can't pretend that I'm like some next, like, okay, here's something. If I was a year ago and I came to Paris, I would be like, oh, I'm here for work. I'm here for a project that I'm working on. Realistically, I'm here because I'm on vacation. There's no other reason. Yeah, I want to film some films here. I want to do some projects here. But I'm not here because of that. I didn't fund this trip because of that. You can't see this.
Because I cannot physically bathe in a sit-down bathtub or stand-up shower area.
Oh, this is slippery.
I just noticed outside the window, we're starting to get a little bit of rain here. As you can see right here, I don't know if you can see right here, but there's some rain. Oh, and now you can really tell there's some rain. Got a hot little French girl with her umbrella down there. Anyways, yeah, despite the rain being there, I'm very excited to start kind of the good part of my Paris trip, because yesterday was kind of crap, if I'm not lying. I did go to Galeries Lafayette yesterday, which is like a big department store. It's like 10 levels. There's like Gucci, Off-White, there's everything there. Like, it's literally massive. I didn't end up buying anything. I'm considering this one pair of Gucci shoes, but I don't really know. I want to check out everything else before I make a decision. Yesterday I felt like absolute dog shit, so I'm hoping today's gonna be better. Alright guys, I got out of the shower. Just looking outside, it's actually gonna be cold as crap today, so I can't really wear just like a jean jacket or anything. I'm gonna have to wear a hoodie and then like a jean jacket. Still better than the shit that's at home though. For the 1% of my viewership that isn't people I know, I live in Toronto, and it is not nice in the winter. So yeah, anyways, today is a Monday, so Paris should be a little busier than yesterday. Yesterday was obviously a Sunday, because that's how weeks work. Sundays are not the nice in Paris. Everything closes at like 6 o'clock, and we didn't even go out for dinner until 9, so our options were not very good. We ended up going for sushi. And you know what? Usually I wouldn't recommend going for sushi in Paris, but it was actually pretty good. It was pretty cheap too. So, you know what? I was fine with that. Good morning, Paris. I've never seen it this busy out here. Yeah, guys, I'm expecting today to be a good day, so let's just get into it. The elevators here are absolutely tiny, like tiny. Like this is the entire size of it. You have to press your card here to get up. Alright, so breakfast was actually closed at the hotel, so we're just gonna Uber. We're Ubering to the cathedral area. That's where, Jesus. So we're at this little like breakfast place, Notre Dame. Au Canada, terre de nos aïeux. At the top of the Notre Dame church right now, and this is insane. Like, this is probably one of the best views you could get of Paris wherever you go. See, these are the gargoyles that are actually at the top. These are famous for like almost every movie that is in Paris. So you could see the gargoyles. You could actually touch them. Alright, so I'm in this little like boutique store. Now we're heading to Bape. There wasn't really anything in this store. I have a lot of the new Space Camel. This is actually my favorite. I really like this tea. I actually still have the Ultra Boost here for retail. This might be a co-op actually. Alright, so I didn't end up buying anything, just got some more underwear. We're headed to Nike Lab in this area in Paris right now. La Marais, that's the area that we're in right now. Nike Lab is kind of a limited Nike store. Like usually they have some of the Just On collabs. They get the Off-Whites, they obviously won't have them, but yeah. Back from like kind of going out all day, and I'll just wait till I'm back in the hotel to talk about that. It's been a long day and it's still not over yet. Showed you guys some next shit was going down on the street. 2 police motorcycles and an ambulance just came by. I'm not really sure what's going on. Also, talking about that, I did get on video today. There was a guy getting like arrested kind of in the square by the Louvre. And then after that, like an ambulance came rushing in. We saw a guy like with like a blanket over him. He was kind of like huddled over. So I don't know what was going on there with all that, but hopefully everything's okay there. Anyways, yeah, today has been great so far. I didn't end up buying anything at Bape because I wasn't really sure. They did have the Ultra Boost sitting there, which I was surprised about, but not really surprised about because they are a USA football collab, so that's not as big here. They also had the Mastermind NMDs, but they were only in a women's size. There was a few things at Bape that I might want to go back and get, but this was only our first real day here, so I didn't want to spend all my money at one place, and then I go somewhere else and I find something that's even better and I would rather have. We did go to Supreme, and I was just thinking now, the Stone Island Supreme pieces dropped this week at Supreme, and I really love Stone Island, and I really love Supreme, and I really want to get something from that collection because we could seize the opportunity and seize the fact that we actually have a Supreme store right there. As I was saying, we did go to the Supreme store. I didn't buy anything. I just bought a pack of underwear. Nothing special. I shit myself all the time, so I need new underwear. We then went to a bunch of sneaker stores, and I honestly have to say I was not impressed with any of them. All they had was general releases. We found one shoe store, and the one shoe they had in there was a pair of Royals in my size. They were like 9 out of 10 condition, and they wanted 400 euros for them, which is 600 Canadian dollars. And trust me, if you know me, you know that I know a few stores in Toronto that are taxing, but that is a shit ton for Royal. And yeah, it's about 6 o'clock. We just got back. But anyways, I'm not sure what we're going to be doing for the rest of the night, so I'm either going to end the vlog here or pick up the vlog where, like, if we go out, I'm not really sure. Alright guys, so I'm about to get in the shower. I think we're going to be going out, having dinner, and checking out the Arc de Triomphe. You don't know, that's the big famous arc in the middle of like the roundabout. So yeah, if we're going there, I'll bring you guys along with me, and we'll just see what we're doing. As you can see, this is the Supreme underwear I got today. Sadly, I already shipped myself in these ones and another pair, so I only have 2 left now, but oh well. Guys, I'm going out for dinner right now. To be honest, I'm not really down to bring the video camera, like record the nice dinner, like not down. Alright guys, so I'm back from dinner now. We actually ended up going to a French like bistro for dinner. It was pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I got steak frites, what every fat kid gets. And yeah, today was a pretty good day. Obviously, day's basically over now. It is currently 12:22 a.m. I gotta get working on this video because I'm not gonna have time tomorrow. One thing though, definitely check out tomorrow's video because tomorrow I'm renting one of these scooters. So as you guys can see, there's this app called Lime, and it shows you where scooters are around you. They're electric scooters, and you just pick them up. You go to here, you scan them, and that's it. And then you just start riding scooters. Funny story that actually happened today. I started renting one, and I was going for about maybe 100 meters, and then 2 people on the road were also on the scooters, and there was like, they were racing a van. The van like came over and kind of like pushed one girl, and she went face fucking first into the pavement. Then the girl behind her like jumped off. It was the funniest shit I have ever seen. I'm pretty sure the first girl broke her wrist because we were standing there and her wrist was like, but that kind of unnerved me. Wasn't really down. But tomorrow, I'm down. So yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you did enjoy, remember to smash that like button, comment down below. None of you even do it anyways, but that's fine. Anyways, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Peace.